friends, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sonia, and today I'm sharing with you my part 2 of Fall Decorate with me. We are going to be working on my living room. Before I get started, I just want to give you an overview of the space that I'm going to be working on. So like I said, this is our former living room. We hang out here sometimes, not very often, but I still want to make it look pretty. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching this video. I like to start my decorating, especially seasonal ones, with a little bit of a deep clean just to get the space prepped. So if this is not something that you want to see, make sure you head on over to the decorating part. I am including timestamps in the description down below, so you can skip this part if this is not something that interests you. But if you're looking for some deep cleaning motivation, then stick around, because I will be dusting, cleaning the mirrors, as well as doing some vacuuming. So I would like to know, have you guys started your fall decorating in your homes? I know this is a tad bit early, but with YouTube and trying to give you guys tons of ideas, I'd like to start early so that way when you are ready to decorate, you have all the ideas that you need. And my style, just to kind of describe my style, I always call it a Sonia style, because I am not quite sure how you would call my style. Is it rustic? Is it modern? Is it rustic modern? Is it modern farmhouse? Is it organic? I really do not know. You can let me know down below what you think my style is. I like to decorate with items that feel right, that I like how they look in my space, or that I decorate the way that it makes me happy. I work from home. I get to look at this space all the time. So I want to, every time I walk by, I want it to make me feel happy. So that is what my style is. I absolutely love my board and batten, but I have to say I did add a bit more cleaning to my cleaning schedule with this, as I have to continuously dust it and wipe it down. With the two dogs, I'm always finding myself either wiping the slobber off the wall or vacuuming everything and anything off the hair. About 3 months ago, I was telling myself, oh, the hair is not too bad with two long hair double coated dogs, but that's because Frank didn't start shedding, and Frank is right now in a full shedding mode, and there is hair and little flyaways everywhere. And the vacuum cleaner that I'm using, I will be having doing a full review of it in about a couple of days, so make sure you stay tuned to that. It is a very budget-friendly stick vacuum, and I'm quite impressed by it. So make sure you tune in a couple of days in case if you are in a search of a budget-friendly stick vacuum.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow.
Once everything was nice and clean, I started decorating. I'm starting over on a fireplace, and this lantern, if you've been around, you've seen it many times. It is from HomeSense. I bought it many years ago. Today I did head out to HomeSense and picked up this vase. It was the only one. I love the shape of it, but it had a little bit of damage on it, so they gave me 20% off, and I ended up paying $28 for it, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And the chip, I can always paint it if it's bothering me. I'm going to be adding some of this wheat. This also came from HomeSense last year.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh,
Now over by the vase, I wanted to add a couple pumpkins. I was even thinking of a candle. So I was playing around until I kind of got to the point where I was satisfied with the way it looked.
Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
So it settled on the two pumpkin, a green one and an orange one. The green one came off of a thrifted wreath, and the orange one came from HomeSense.
All that we have.
Next, I'm going to be working on my coffee table, and make sure you stay tuned till the end because I will be switching it out because it wasn't working for me the way I had it. So I'm going to be adding these handcrafted wooden candlesticks. I got these from HomeSense today as well, and one was $20 and the other one was $15, which you did not see because I did not show the tag properly. I really like these. I wanted something that was thin and tall, and I think this is going to work well on the table. So once I got all the tags cut off, I placed it. I do end up adding the candles as well. I got those from just Dollar Tree. I would like to get some flameless ones, battery operated ones. I was just checking them out on Amazon, and they're about $25 for four, so I might get those later. Obviously not today because they wouldn't be here for this video. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just kind of moving things around, trying to figure out what I like and what I don't like, and trying to see it from every angle. So that's why I go back out, look at it, move it, go through a different corner, look at it, and see how I like it that way.
Each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you.
I'm going to take out these tray fillers, even though I do think that they would even work for fall, and I'm going to swap them out for some pumpkins. And I'm looking for pumpkins out of my stash that aren't bright colored, but I do want to add a couple different colors.
If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love.
Next, I'm going to be working on this little side table over here. There's not a lot of room to decorate it because the lamp takes up some of it, and then the surface isn't very big, but I'm going to add a little DIY vase with pampas grass and just a black pumpkin to kind of complement all the other black accents that I have here.
Your love, all that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough.
On the opposite side, I have another side table that I always have some family photos on there. I still want to bring those back, but I like to have some sort of a decor piece. So I had decided to bring back my olive tree that was at my front foyer. I did my front foyer the previous video, so I will link it up in the sky as well as at the end, so you can check it out if you want to see how I decorated that space. So once I had the olive tree there and I liked the way it looked, I added my photos, and then I finished it off with just a little candle holder with a candle from Bath and Body Works. I think it's spiced pumpkin candle is what I have in there as well, just so I can have some sort of a nice folly smelling item here. I am still trying to swap out all my candles for the more essential oil and soya based candles, but I do want to get through all the ones that I have right now. I don't want to go out and buy new ones just for the sake of buying them when I still have quite a bit left over from last year. So now I'm back at the coffee table, and I'm going to rearrange it just because the more I looked at it, the more I did not like the way it looked. So I decided to try something different, and it ended up working much better than the one before. I am adding this little pot with some Dollar Tree greenery in there. I did have this at my front foyer, so I swapped it out for a pumpkin, and I like the way that looks at the front foyer, and I like the way this looks over here in the living room on the table. So you're gonna have to, I'm probably gonna be swapping out stuff quite a bit. So if you are watching all these videos as I'm decorating them, make sure you tune in once I have the full home tour, because there will be some things that look a little different than from what I originally decorated. I just find that sometimes when I sit in a space and look at it, certain things stop working and they don't work the way they did the first time I decorated it. So that's why I like swapping things out.
You, if I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
So like I said, I like the way this looks much better, and I absolutely love how all those colored pumpkins look in that inside that wicker tray.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
And now I'm going to dress the sofa up. I'm going to add this blanket. I really like the color because it's soft and very earthy color. And this blanket I picked up at Dollarama. And then I'm going to add back the pillows. I do have two pillow covers that are coming. They just haven't arrived yet, that I'm going to be swapping one of these out for. And then so just to add a little bit more fall color to the couch, instead of it just being so brown. And then in the middle here, I am going to add a pillow that I had purchased last year. I did get this pillow at HomeSense, and I absolutely love the color, and the pillowcases that are coming are very similar to that color. So I thought that was gonna look really good to add those in onto the couch as well. So this concludes my decorate with me. I'm going to show you a little overview how the whole space looks, and I'm very, very happy with the way it looks. I would love for you to let me know what you think. And there's not a whole lot of decor here, but I think it's just enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.